Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The main host of this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's myself, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now this week there is a host, and it's Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, and the theme is purple and orange. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now let's get started, guys. All right, let's take a look at the tablescape. So along the back of this table, I have this beautiful purple shawl that I'm using as a runner. Now the tablescape tablecloth that I thrifted, and it's in a beautiful sage green. I also found the placemats in that same sage green color at the Dollar Tree. Now the woven placemats I'm placing on top of these, they came from Hobby Lobby. Now those wooden chargers, or the wooden shade chargers, they came from the Dollar Tree, and the dishware that came from Kirkland's. So these are the bee napkins, and I thought I'd go ahead and use some of that woven twine as the napkin ring. right, so that orange plate that I placed on the table there off to the side because we're having a tea party also. I thrifted that from the Goodwill. Now the wine glasses came from Walmart and the water glasses were thrifted from the Goodwill. That beautiful candelabra with those lavender candles, that came from the Goodwill as well. Now I couldn't find the pair as far as those orange dishes went, but I knew I was going to use this to serve my cookies when we serve the tea party. Okay, so the orange plate we're going to use to serve some cookies, and then we have the teapot and we have the coffee cups. I place them upside down before serving, and then I place the teaspoons that we're using right on top of it. The beautiful candelabra was thrifted, but the candles did come from the Dollar Tree. Here I'm placing some oatmeal cookies that we are going to have right after dinner, and this is going to be amazing. Time to light the candles, and we're going to be heading on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle for joining us this Tuesday on Tablescape Tuesdays. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.